Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Ba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. I am a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, share this video, show some love, guys. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I am so happy. As the way I'm happy to upload this video, please like my family, please like, subscribe, share my channel. Let me grow. I told you guys about my birthday wish list that I want to get to 5k on my birthday or before my birthday, but then I didn't get it. So I wish you guys can just share my channel and just share this channel, support me in any way you can. uh, so that beautiful shop you saw at the beginning of the video is when I came to get some luxurious bottle for my one of my subscribers. She doesn't stay in Nigeria. She stays in another African country. I came to get bottles for her, and the sandal oil you see there is for another subscriber who is not in Nigeria too. I came to get amazing oils and bottles for them. So when I came to my customer shop, I saw his boys trying to get this local sandal into these chips, and I was like, wow. So guys, if you haven't heard, we will be running a birthday sales which will be starting tomorrow, which is 28th of October. We have amazing products on sales. The halud, this halud is so amazing, so bang. I will post some reviews. I've been posting the reviews on my social media platforms, and for those of you that have my phone number, I'm sure you have seen like a lot of reviews on this halud on my WhatsApp status. So I've been making this like regularly. People love this. It's so long lasting, so amazing. It has amazing long lasting woody um scent. It's so good. This is so good. This has been soaked for like 2 weeks with amazing oils. Mostly when I'm making my triarota for sale, I do it step by step so that the process will just be fine, smooth, and nice. So after soaking the halud, um I I fry the halud, and after frying I add the oils and the powders, and I let it sit for a week. Then I add the second oil, and then the last week, that's which is like the second week or the third week, I add more powders, and I add more oils. You can see this is the halud at the beginning, the one I soaked this for like a week with the base oils that I use, and then this is the second time I added my oil, which is like the top oil. I added this amazing oil. I love this oil so much. It's my signature. I After making the halud, I also made black humra, I made musk humra, I made white humra, I made sandalia humra, I made no, I made sandal asal some weeks ago, but then I just packaged everything. I made this humras, and I kept it to like infuse. I even forgot about them. Like I just hid them somewhere dark so that they will infuse and give me that amazing traditional smoky leather scent and that earthy scent I was looking for, and I got that amazing. These are some of the ingredients I use. I use Revdo in making my humra. I mix it with some oils and other eau de cologne which have amazing scent, amazing long lasting scent, by the way. Like these oils, you can never go wrong with the oils. Just like a cheat I've dropped for you guys. Like you need to use them. Wannan turarukan da kuka ga na nuna a wannan bidiyon, kar ku yi wasa da su. Duk turaren da kuka ga na lissafa, ku gwada ku ne za ku dawo kuna ce mun gaskiya. Akwai mutane da yawa, duk oils ɗin da ina amfani da shi sai sun dawo WhatsApp ɗina su ce mun gaskiya Aisha oils nan suna da kyau, suna da ƙarfi, suna da kyau kuma sun yi blending da abin da kika ce a yi da su. So haka abuna yake. Ni duk oil da kuka ga na yi ce muku ku je ku saya, kar ku yi wasa, ku dai ku bi wanda ta iya, ku je ku saya. So um what I said in Hausa is that what any oil I mention on my channel, you guys, you need to try them. I have tried the oil, so I know how they smell, I know how the scent, I know their longevity. So when you try them, you'll never go wrong with them. So this is how I just add the full humra to my butter because I don't want anything to spill. You know, I wouldn't want to waste this amazing gem. This is like the gold, my own black gold. This has amazing long lasting scent, very very strong. If you are not a lover of strong scent, I don't think I will recommend this for you. If you want that seductive long lasting lingering scent on your clothes and then unique, you're looking for something unique, different, this is it. The full home rice for you. I made this with like amazing long lasting oils which will last on your clothes. So after adding the full home rice to my bottles, I use different sizes of bottles. So the shop you saw at the beginning of this video, that's actually where I get my bottles, my storage bottles for my Trion water, my humras, everything. That's where I get them. But apart from the oil perfumes and the powders I use. After adding all my dufu humra, this is what we got. Like this. So you can see this is in limited quantity. This has amazing long lasting scents. I make this every 2 weeks. I make the humra every 2 weeks. So when I um sell them, I just make some after the week. Then there was this opening happening at Maiduguri, and this is just so like the amazing picture I took. I so much love this pic. Have you guys heard of my sister's tea? This tea is so amazing. For those of you that love tea, and for those of you that are curious to try amazing tea, if you have been taking tea that is not so good, I definitely recommend this. You will love it. You will love this. So after that, after making the trial water, which I mentioned earlier that I made, I just tried to create some videos using inspirations I find on YouTube. I was just trying to like create amazing video. I was out of ideas. Whatever I see on YouTube is either I don't have the prop or like I don't have something will always I don't know, something is missing. No, but I got amazing pictures, like amazing pictures. This is what my students sent to me. Amazing humra. One thing about my classes is that when you join, you will love it. It's so detailed. You make amazing triangle. This is my students' work too. This is my students' work too. Like as in my students are so amazing. I wish them good luck. Like I wish them good luck, and I'm so happy to be their teacher because they are so good. Most of them send their items to me. This is our henna. This is also my student's work. She did an amazing job. She actually got the items. I actually got some of the items for her, the ingredients from Maiduguri, and then this is the end product of my pictures that I took. Um, and this is an item going to Niger Republic. These are some other pictures I took of my amazing products. You can see how the halud, the hawi, the dufur humra, the nobanats, white oud, black oud, musk humra, sandalia humra, um, soft pink, Faiche Bakur, which is like the Dufur Bakur, Dufra Bakur, mixed Dufra, um, the new Khumra, Kabasa spray, Kajiji balls, Irik, sparkle spray, amazing items which will be on sale. You can see how they are sitting pretty. sitting so pretty and smelling so amazing. I can't wait to have you um like I can't wait to get your orders for this sale. I hope you will place your order, and I promise you guys you are definitely going to love the Traruta and the Humras. Whatever you get from Traru by Aisha, you definitely love it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.